I did not know any of these names had anything to do with nature.
Conan.
Conan the Barbarian.
This one sounds like a mountain to me.
Tall, red-headed mountain. Yeah.
Yes, with freckles.
Maybe like a dog or something?
Oh.
Little Wolf?
Oh, look at you. You're getting good at this.
Why would you put Conan the Barbarian so
For a little-
big
right.
if he's a little wolf?
Little wolf.
Lumi. Well, that's kind of like Luna, what I wanted to name my daughter. So I'm gonna go with Moon.
That makes me think moon.
Mushroom.
Oh, snow.
Because snow illuminates and they cut that down and now it's loomy.
Yeah, let's go with that.
Zephyr.
Zephyr.
Moss.
A large hill.
It's a star.
Air.
Wind.
Oh! It wasn't a large hill.
Ursula. Octopus of the ocean.
Right.
Steals voices
Now, to me, that is the ocean.
and crashes ships. Octopus.
And gives you legs.
Something evil, like a tornado or
Yeah.
something.
Oh,
I'm going with octopus.
Octopus.
I was gonna say bear again.
Yeah?
I was gonna say bear.
Wow.
What?
oh my god. Oh yes, of course, the constellation.
What do you mean, little bear?
Ursa Minor and Ursa Major.
If you were with friends and you saw a little female bear and you went, look at that, Ursula, they would go, you're crazy.
Yes, they would.